Hello everyone, my name is Mario Ernesto Navarro Cruz, and today I'm going to teach you how do you pronounce the E vowel sound, the perfect and the correctly pronunciation of that vowel. So, are you ready? Here we go. First of all, you might ask, I don't know what is a vowel or what is the real meaning of a vowel. So, like in the question, a vowel sound is a speech sound made by the vocal cords. It is also a type of letter in the alphabet. Another definition is that a vowel sound is a sound pronounced with an open vocal tract, so that the tongue does not touch the lips, tips, or the root of the mouth. As you can see in that picture, we can observe vowels, 90 or 10 vowels. So, another definition of the vowels are, for example, according to the Webster Merriam Dictionary, a vowel sound is one of a class of a speech sound in the articulation of which the oral part of the breath channel is not blocked and is not constricted enough to cause audible friction. Broadly, the most prominent sound in a syllable. Another definition, for example, is that a vowel is a type of sound depending largely on very slightly variation of the tongue position, which is the most easily described in terms of auditory relationships, since there is not constriction which we can feel any precision. So there's little concepts of a vowel sound. If it's clear, we can continue. So, characteristics of the vowels, some general characteristics. For example, a vowel is generally voiced. A vowel is made with aggressive airstream. A vowel is produced with unimpeded airflow. A vowel, when you pronounce or when you produce a vowel sound, the air escapes over the central line of the tongue. And a vowel is shaped by such mobile organs as the tongue, the lips, and the velum. As you can see in that picture, we can observe the vocal tract to produce the E vowel sound. Okay, continues. For example, okay, the characteristics of the E vowel sound. Some general characteristics in the vocal tract can be that the E vowel sound has three important components. For example, number one, the lips. The lips are tense and in smile position. Okay? Repeat after me. E, E, E. You can say the E like in Spanish, there is no problem because it's the same. So, E, E. You can put your fingers over your mouth and you can pronounce E. You feel it? E. You are smile. So the jaws are completely raised. Repeat again. E. 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 You can feel the jaw is completely raised. The last one is the tongue. the tongue is higher near to the roof of the mouth. So pronounce one more time. E, E. You can feel the back of your tongue touches the hard and soft palate. So that is one of important characteristics of the E vowel sound. Like in this picture, you can see it. Okay, that is a high. The E vowel is a high vowel. So the E vowel sound classification. The E vowel has four classification. The number one, front. Is front because the tip of the tongue, as you can see in that picture, the tip of the tongue touch the upper teeth. Touches, but enough is not enough, but is touch. The another characteristic classification is high. Is high because the tongue is elevated, as you can see in that picture, and touches the soft palate and the hard palate. You can see in that picture the back of the tongue touches the hard and the soft palate. So the third one characteristic classification is tense. Tense. Why is tense? Why the vowel is tense? It's tense because the muscle right here are tense or contracted. And the last one classification is spread. Okay, is spread because when you produce the vowel sound E, you can feel that your mouth is spread, like as a Joker effect. E. You can feel it? The Joker effect. So, example of the E vowel sound can be at the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. For example, in the beginning, repeat after me. Eagle, equal, easy, itch, eat. Okay, that is a vowel, the E vowel sound at the beginning of the words. Now we can pass to the middle of the words. The E vowel sound can be produced at the middle of the words. For example, repeat, please, mean, leave, seal, deep. You can see all the E vowel sound pass to the beginning and to the middle. To the beginning, to the middle. So, to the end, we can feel all the difference. Okay, for example, repeat after me. B, key, T, he, tree. Okay, you can feel the difference. For example, eagle, please, bee. You can feel, and all those words are pronounced with E vowel sound. Okay, there are some spelling cases of the vowel sound, so be careful when you pronounce the vowel sound. For example, like this, you can see, oh, but that is not E, it's E. No, it's E too. For example, he, okay, it's the same. Seen, This. Okay, now be careful with that. With the two doubles letter. Don't worry if you see a double A. How can I pronounce that? Don't worry. Just pronounce with one vowel, the vowel E. For example, see, eel, did. Okay? You can pronounce with one vowel, only one vowel. Don't be confused with that. So, E and A. East, lean, team. So, be careful with that because some of you has a little confusion. Has a little confused because you can say, how can I pronounce that? E and A. A? No. It is east. Just delete the two vowels and put it an E. E. Okay? Put an E in the word. Imagine that. Put it an E in the word in replace to the E and A. Okay? Okay. E and A. Be careful with nice, peace, either. Is the same to the E, A, and E, E. It's the same. Just put it with one vowel. The vowel E. So be careful with the second to the fourth column. Be careful with that. Don't be confused with the vowels. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. So, don't forget to subscribe.